Hello viewer, if you face Instagram contacts showing as Instagram user on your share option, let's see how to fix this error. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Now click on your profile icon from the lower right corner. Now click on your menu icon from the top right corner. Now scroll down. Click on Help. Now click on Report a Problem. Now go back to where you saw the problem and shake your phone. Tap on Go Back and Shake Phone. So go back to your Instagram share option. Now shake your phone. Now click on Report Problem. Now tap on Include and Continue. Now in the report box, briefly explain, Hi Instagram support team, my Instagram contacts showing as Instagram users on share option. Please fix this as soon as possible. Then send a report to the Instagram support team. Now go back and follow the most important part. Open App Store, or if you are Android user, open your Google Play Store. Now search Instagram app. Go to Instagram app. From here, update your Instagram app. After complete the update process, open your Instagram app. Now click on Share. Now see Instagram contacts showing as Instagram user on your share option problem successfully solved. So if this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe our channel.